A cat is considered to be senior when it reaches 10 years of age. Although your senior cat may move around more slowly, playtime will be just as important now as it was when your cat was younger. Play has many benefits for older cats, such as improved muscle tone and blood circulation. Finding different ways to play with your senior cat will benefit your cat and help you develop an even deeper bond with it. How to play with a senior cat. This video will tell you. Exploring the environment. Playing with your cat using toys. And following general tips for playing. Welcome to DailyNeedStudio.com. Why is it important to play with a senior cat? Playing with a senior cat helps maintain their physical health, mental stimulation, and emotional well-being. It also strengthens the bond between you and your pet. How can adapt playtime for a senior cat's changing abilities? Be observant of any changes in mobility or energy levels. Adapt by choosing slower-paced activities or softer toys to accommodate their changing needs. Method 1. Exploring the environment. Number 1. Play hide and seek with food. Your senior cat may not want to, or be able to, move around very much. However, that doesn't mean you should always place its food right in front of it. Consider hiding a piece of kibble or small piece of treat in different parts of your home. At your cat's own pace, it will use its nose to find the food. Hiding the food will allow your cat to explore your home, rather than staying in one spot all day. If your cat has trouble moving around, do not hide the food in places that would be difficult for your cat to reach, e.g., high up on a cat tree, between a piece of furniture and the wall. You could also move your cat's food bowl. However, because cats do not always respond well to change, your cat may become stressed if you move its food bowl from the usual spot. Number 2. Hide yourself from your cat. Instead of hiding food from your cat, try hiding yourself. Although your cat may take a little longer to find you, it will enjoy using its hunting instinct to catch you. Hide in places where your cat could easily find you, such as just around the corner in a nearby room. Have some treats in your hand to reward your cat when it finds you. Number 3. Walk with your cat around your home. Although cats have a reputation for being independent, they do enjoy the company of their owners. Walking with your cat will not only provide physical activity, but will also give your cat a chance to spend quality time with you. During your usual playtime, take your cat on a walk. Vary the route occasionally to keep the walk interesting for your cat. If your cat has arthritis, do not have it walk up the stairs. This would be painful and difficult for your cat. Walk at your cat's pace. The walk does not need to be very long. If your cat starts to slow down, or simply wants to stop, you can end the walk. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no. Method 2. Playing with your cat using toys. Number 1. Buy new toys for your cat. Although your cat is in its senior years, it still likes playing with toys just like a younger cat. If your cat's current toys are a bit old, go to the pet store and purchase new ones. If your cat has certain types of toys, e.g., noisy, squishy, smooth texture, that it likes, buy more of those types. Do not buy toys with strings. If your cat eats a string, that string could get stuck in its intestines and cause an emergency medical situation. Toys that your cat can chase, such as a laser light, are great choices for your senior cat. Homemade toys, such as crumpled pieces of paper and empty paper bags, handles removed, could also be good for your senior cat. Number 2. Switch out the toys regularly. Just like younger cats, senior cats can get bored with their toys. To prevent this boredom in your senior cat, place out only a few toys at a time and switch them about once a week. Replace toys that look worn or old. Number 3. Monitor your cat during playtime. As your senior cat plays with its toys, monitor its activity. If it begins to slow down and tire out, discontinue playtime and allow your cat to rest. After playtime, consider cuddling with your cat. If your cat is responding to you more slowly, especially with chasing games, then it is probably getting tired and needs to rest. Your cat may also indicate tiredness by simply stopping the activity. If your cat stops, do not force it to continue playing. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no. Method 3. Following general tips for playing. Number 1. Have your vet examine your cat. Before playing with your senior cat, take your cat to the vet for a checkup. Senior cats can have health problems, such as a diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease, that can make playtime challenging. After examining your cat, your vet can recommend types of games for your cat, as well as how frequently and how long you should play with your cat. Managing a chronic health condition could make play more comfortable for your senior cat. Number 2. Schedule daily play sessions. Play with your senior cat at least once each day, but try to find multiple times throughout the day to keep them engaged. This daily interaction will not only keep your cat physically and mentally active, but will also provide the quality time your cat wants to have with you. If you want to have multiple daily play sessions, play only as long as your cat can handle per session. This may only be a few minutes. Number 3. Adjust games for your cat. Your senior cat probably won't be able to run and jump as much as it used to. Make adjustments during playtime according to what your cat can handle. For example, rather than holding a feather toy up in the air for your cat to leap at, slowly drag it across the floor so your cat can more easily chase it. Your vet can give you recommendations on how to make adjustments. Number 4. Do not get a younger cat as a playmate. You may think that a younger cat will encourage your senior cat to play and become more active. However, that younger cat may end up crawling all over your senior cat and becoming a nuisance. Plus, you may end up giving the younger cat more attention, causing your senior cat to feel left out. If your senior cat has a health condition, it may try to hide that weakness by becoming less playful and more aggressive towards the other cat. To prevent behavioral problems, it may be best not to introduce a younger cat to your senior cat. If you already have multiple cats and one is a senior cat, pay close attention to how they play together. If you notice the senior cat becoming aggressive with the younger cats, talk with your vet about ways to separate the cats for playtime. Tips. 1. Between 10 and 12 years of age, cats do not initiate play as much as they used to. 2. Games such as hide and seek and chasing a laser light encourage your cat to use its predatory instincts. 3. If your senior cat is too sick or weak to play, consider holding it in your lap and petting it. Although petting is not necessarily playing, your senior cat would still enjoy that time with you.